Here with many-time national champions Chris Binnie. You are here now observing on the sidelines, the national championships. You got to see some of the matches. Your thoughts?
So I think it's great. I mean, the action's been great. The turnout's been great. And I'm also glad to be here to watch and support. So.
Okay, that aside, a lot's been happening with you. I see you propose on your knees, asking for your girlfriend's hand in marriage. How has it been since? Clearly, you guys are super happy. And what have you been doing otherwise?
Yeah, so once I started thinking about what the exit avenues were from playing squash professionally, I'm now working in finance. So I took a role in the US. Post that, but squash kind of opened that door. The network I made playing these events. Someone gave me an opportunity, so I'm doing that now. And then obviously, as you saw, I am getting married next year, and so I think I'm just starting this next chapter now. After squash in terms of the playing side, but it doesn't mean I'm not going to be around and playing. At some point, I couldn't this year, but next year and maybe after, I will be back here competing, trying to see if I can still hang with these young guys. So I'm excited for that.
Any coaching?
I don't think right now.
Right.
Maybe some mentoring. Maybe some helping with the programming and stuff here. Working with the association to just keep the sport moving in the right direction. With the Olympics coming up now, 2028, which I think, unfortunately I was born a little too early. I think that's going to be great for the sport worldwide, including here. So I'd like to give back in any way I can and help the association get the right people where they need to be to represent Jamaica. So excited.